3/single-phase storage and inversion integration. Max power output is 54 kilowatts. Modular design supports multiple parallel connections for easy installation and fast delivery. Output voltage, 220 volts/380 volts. Output power is 54 kilowatts. Single unit lithium battery has a storage capacity of 15 kilowatt hours, expandable via multiple parallel connection. 220/6 kilowatt. A single unit like this has an output power of 6 kilowatts and a voltage capacity of 220 volts. With a battery capacity of 15 kilowatt hours, 9 set in parallel can output maximum 220 volts/54 kilowatts, 380 volts/18 kilowatts. This is a single set of 3-phase or single-phase storage and inversion integration. This set is made up of single units of 6 kilowatts, 3 single-phase storage and inversion integration system. 3 sets of 380 volts, 18 kilowatts storage and inversion integration system connected in parallel can output maximum of 54 kilowatts output power and an output voltage of 380 volts. Modular design, 48-volt battery can be dynamically expanded according to demand. The inverter has a snap-fit design for simplified installation, compatible with sockets of different voltage specifications, cannot be used simultaneously at the same time. 380-volt output sockets, 220-volt output sockets. The inverter has a LED smart display. Components and parts of the inverter parallel connection ports, load cable outlets, PV input terminals, connection ports, battery expansion ports, alternative charging sources or options for the system and their circuit design for charging, PV input, diesel power input, AC or grid input. We do urge you to give us a DM whenever you want to make a quote for your solar energy system, either for domestic, commercial, or industrial use. Thanks. You can reach us on all social media handles: Facebook at Magioski Power Resources, YouTube at Magioski Power Resources, Instagram at egio4.emmanuel.1614, TikTok at Magioski2017. WhatsApp us on 070-6316-9648. Our offline location is at C.Torch
Step 6. Turn on power. Turn on the battery switch. Then turn on the inverter switch to complete the installation.